Hello, everybody. This is for people who are having problems with getting sound for their Xbox One. So basically, I followed everyone's instructions on the YouTube, and so what I did was, let's see. So I went to settings, and then so I'm gonna enter that, and then you can have video output, and I don't know if you can see, but make sure that it's on 1080p, and which everyone tells me that's pretty much where you have to go in advanced settings, and then see the TV connections on the HDMI, and check off 50 hertz. What else? So I checked that. Um, well, and then here I'll show you. I check back again. So kind of ask you, do you want to go keep this setting? You say yes. And as you can see, it's checked off 50 hertz and 24 hertz. This TV doesn't have 4K and 3D, so I'm not gonna check those. And then I'm gonna go back out. And let's see, color, color depth, I don't think that matters. Color space, that doesn't matter. And then I'm gonna go back. And then I'm gonna go to audio output. Click that. And then HDMI audio stereo uncompressed. I'm gonna try I don't think it matters, 7.1. As you can see, I have sound. And let me see, and then, okay, let me go back. So I still have sound. And then my biggest issue for me was why I didn't have sound was I have a Sharps TV, and this is about I think about 4 years old. Anyway, so on the menu on the TV, I'm gonna go to System Options, and you would think it would be, oh wait, you would think it would be in the audio, but it's not. So it's not intuitive. So you're gonna go to System Options, and then you're gonna go to Terminal Settings, and then you're gonna go into this bitstream digital audio output terminal will be output bitstream connecting equipment must be Dolby Digital. Okay, I'll put on that, and then I'm gonna go back. I don't think that matters, but so you're gonna go to Audio Select, and make sure the default is on HDMI analog. So make sure you click onto HDMI digital and enter that. Then voila. And then this should give you a sound, and you can hear the click. So if I go to Audio Select and put on HDMI analog from digital, you're not going to hear any sounds. No sounds. So, okay. Now I'm going to go to, sorry, this is a one-man operation. And then, so I'm going to go Audio Select. And then that's on analog. So I'm going to put on digital. Now I'm gonna increase the volume that way you guys can hear. See? Now you can hear the scrolling sound, clicking, whatever that sound is. So now I have volume. So that's one thing that no one video taped. You know how to get the sound. I did everything under the setting and still no sound. So for me, I was able to get sound this way. So hopefully, people who have settings where you have to go audio select, make sure you choose the audio select, put on HDMI digital. Okay, hopefully this will help out. Thank you.